In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your post from someone on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. After that, go to your profile, tap at these three lines, select Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down until you find Account Privacy. That's where we can make our account private by toggling on that option. And as long as our account is private, only our followers will be able to see our posts. In this way, by making our account private, we can hide all our posts from anyone except our followers. However, if you would like to hide your post from some particular user, you can easily do so in another way. Let me make my account public again. This way is to restrict that user. So all we have to do is just go to someone's profile page, then tap right here, and then tap at Restrict. It says account restricted, and once the account is restricted, they won't be able to see your posts. That's how you can easily hide your post from someone on Instagram.